So you've heard all about one product stores and they sound great. After all, who wants to import like 20 products into their store when you can just import one product and write one product description and sell hundreds of thousands of products? Not me. That sounds like a dream, but it could be reality. The only catch is that it's not really one product. Yes, I know it would be great if on the first try you found a product that everyone has been dying for and no one else is selling and you made tons of money with it. But if you're new to dropshipping, the chances of that happening are slim. And if you make a mistake with that product, it can be tough to have to build an entirely new store to try a new product. There is a really cool hack here though. What you can do is import one single product to your Shopify store with Oberlo, but from that product, sell 12 or even 15 products in your store. Today I'm going to share 10 products where you can do just that. Import a single product to your store, build a brand around it, and start selling. So let's save some time and dive right into our list. You know, it's right after I say let's dive into our list that I give you the subscribe CTA, but I actually have a compelling reason for doing that. We broke down some math recently, and those of you that click the links in our descriptions and go on to sell the products we recommend have made almost $200,000 this year alone selling the products we recommended in our video. That is awesome, and that's all because of your hard work. All we try to do is get those juices flowing and give you good product ideas. We're going to be producing a lot more best product to sell lists in the months ahead. So if you want to get new ideas and make your first sales with proven products, then click subscribe now. Okay, with the CTA out of the way, we can officially get into the list. The first product on the list is not very glamorous, but I don't care. It is fondant stamps or stencils. I'm not really sure. The reason I love this though is that this product targets a passionate niche. When was the last time you heard of fondant stamps? Like maybe never, unless you're a great British Bake Off fan, and that's exactly who you're going to target with your ads for this product. This product appeals to a passionate niche of hobbyists, and they can't find these cool stamps for cake decorating just in Walmart or in Target or whatever big box store they walk into. They can only find them if they really search. Don't make them search. Instead, create a really great video ad and get it in front of them. As you can see with this particular product, you can import one product into your store with Oberlo, and then with Oberlo, split it by variant. That's gonna give you a ton of different variants, and you'll be able to sell each of those variants as a different product. One of the best things about this product too is that every fondant stamp has an example of what it does. So it's got really great product photos to go with each product in your store. But if baking's not your thing, I've got you covered with the next product. It's kids' pajamas. Now, usually I would not recommend that you sell clothes because it's really hard to get just the right fit. But when it comes to putting PJs on kids, most parents aren't really fussy about fit. After all, kids will outgrow PJs in a matter of months, if not weeks, so it's okay if the pants are a little bit short. What I love about this product is that with one product in your store, you can split by variants and get lots of different designs. When you advertise this product, advertise individual designs to different target markets. For example, there's a pajama set here that has motorcycles on it. Maybe you could advertise this to dads who like motorcycles and they would love to have their little one wearing pajamas that match their interests. It's something worth testing. And the cool thing is you didn't spend a lot of time trying to import products to your store and write all those different descriptions, so you can spend that time marketing. This next product is great for someone who wants to create a really stylish premium brand with their store, because if you do that, you can charge stylish premium brand prices, which is a good thing. They are crystal pendants. Now with this product, you can import one to your store and then you'll have multiple different colors of crystals show up as separate products. The key here is to know about crystals, because people who are passionate about crystals assign meanings to different crystals. So in each product description, make sure you highlight that. The quartz is different from the jade, and you want to be clear about that because people will buy the jade because of its special magic or whatever. Do a little bit of research before you write your product descriptions, but rest assured that those product descriptions that really make people feel this is special will go a long way. This product is only $2, and so you can price it at $14.99 and pocket the difference. That is an excellent margin, and it's going to give you a lot of runway to experiment with different ways to advertise this product. But if you don't even want to advertise, if you want to try getting some sales for free, then I would recommend writing content. Write a guide to each of these crystals and what they mean, or which crystal is best for which horoscope sign, or which crystal goes best with white wine and which goes best with red. I don't care. What you want to do is write content that will get people clicking, going to your store, and checking out this product. Okay, I might get in a little trouble recommending this product to you because we're going to be kind of sneaky. Football season is coming up, and I'm talking about NFL football. Now, you don't want to sell anything officially NFL related. That is against the rules, and your store will get shut down. However, you can still appeal to the fans in subtle ways. And I love these minimalist bracelets because they have colors very similar to your favorite NFL teams if you're creative about it. Just like with the other products in this video, you can import this product once into Oberlo, split it by variants, and then with one click, import everything into your store. After that, you'd have almost 10 bracelets in your store. Okay, we still have to be careful though. You can't call this a Denver Broncos bracelet, but be creative. What are things that Broncos fans love? Or what are famous Denver landmarks that you can name this after? Once you've branded your bracelet, the real magic comes with Facebook marketing. That's when you're going to target people who love the Denver Broncos. That is completely allowed. And those fans might love this cool, minimalistic, non-obvious way to show their support. I think there's a lot of potential in this idea, but there are a lot of rules to be careful with. I'd be curious from you, do you think this is just a no-go, or do you think you could sell from it? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll let you know what I think too. The next product is perfect for the holidays. They are novelty slippers. Import this product into Oberlo, divide it by variants, and you'll have all these creature slippers of different patterns. So you've got dinosaurs, tigers, all these different creatures in one store. This is an impulse buy, and you want to price it accordingly. Luckily, that's pretty easy to do because even at their most expensive, these slippers are under $8. So price them at $24 or even $30 and you'll still get those impulse buys. People are gonna want to buy these before the holidays so that they can pounce around the home in these fun slippers and maybe take photos with them on. The nice thing about slippers is they're more forgiving with sizes. People aren't gonna go out and run a marathon in their dinosaur slippers. Actually, I'm sure someone will try, but they're not gonna be as fussy as they would be if these were, say, high heels. Nonetheless, do make sure that you get clear on what the sizes are that you're offering, and make sure you offer a really easy to see size chart explaining these sizes in UK sizes, European sizes, US sizes, so that someone shopping will be able to quickly tell what size they need. Okay, here's another one product store idea that fits really well into an artsy branded store. I found these abstract line drawings, and what I also love about this product is the video. The video is really artistic, and anyone who's into this kind of abstract minimalistic art is going to love seeing it come to life on the video. There's not a lot of videos for artwork, so this definitely stands out. What you'll do here is import the product with Oberlo, split it by variant, and then describe each product differently because each product is a different work of art. Use the video to draw in people who are interested in interior decor, and make sure people know that they can browse around. So suggest other products below each product page so they can click on those and explore. This is easy to do because a lot of free Shopify themes actually have that feature built into product pages. While we're on the subject of art, let's talk about artists as a potential market to tap into. You know, we talked earlier about bakers and how they really wanted something special that they couldn't find in a lot of the big box stores. Well, that's just as true of photographers, and that's why this product is really cool. So these are backdrops your customer can order and lay flat on a table and then put other things on top of. So say if someone is a food photographer, and I would definitely target food photographers, by the way, and they want to take a picture of a bowl of cereal on a wooden table, but they don't own a wooden table. Well, they could buy one of your backdrops and then create lots of cool rustic pictures of a bowl of cereal on a wooden table. I don't know how many people are eating cereal on picnic tables, but you know what I mean. There is a video with this product, which is great. It's not the best quality, but it's something. So you can use that to gather people's interest or just use it to show people what the product looks like on your website. Now, these products are cheap, so make sure you price them in the $10 to $15 range and make sure you give a discount for multiple products in a cart, because I can guarantee you that someone interested enough to buy one backdrop is going to want to have other options. Incentivize those other options because that's just more sales for you. By the way, if you're doing this and you're importing one product into your store, splitting it into variants, and then making that multiple products in your store, you still want to write separate product descriptions for each product that you sell. So if you're new to that and you want to know how to write compelling product descriptions that get sales, enroll in Oberlo 101. It's the ultimate course for anyone starting an online business, and I walk you step by step through the process of importing products, writing product descriptions, and even marketing with Facebook ads. Do you want to start marketing on TikTok? I bet the answer is yes. This social media platform is exploding, and a lot of entrepreneurs want to know how they can get in on it. Well, if you want to start marketing, you've got to know what the trends are on TikTok. And at the time that we're recording, Visco girls are the meme du jour. One of the things that Visco girls are famous for are their scrunchies. They always have multiple scrunchies. So if you want to get in front of the eyeballs that are on these Visco girls, you should sell scrunchies, of course. This product is awesome because you import it to Oberlo, split it by variants, and you've got 42 different designs. And you don't need to spend too much time fussing over product descriptions here. The people who are going to browse these are just looking for a design that appeals to them. So the important thing is actually to make sure your product descriptions are good. I would recommend that you just buy as many of these scrunchies as you can and take your own photos, because you can really get a lot of impulse buys as long as people are clear on what they're buying. So take your own photos, sell each scrunchie for about 10 bucks, and give a volume discount. Those Visco girls have multiple scrunchies on their wrist. Now, how do you market on TikTok? Good question. No one has really mastered this yet. If this is something you're curious about, start reaching out to Visco girls or people who are making fun of Visco girls on TikTok. Offer them these scrunchies for free if they don't mind featuring them in their videos, and give them a link. It's going to be hard to track this. That's why this is the wild west of marketing right now. But you can start making those relationships with influencers now, drive traffic to your store, and learn. And you'll be among the first people to experiment with this new marketing platform. If you've watched any of our videos, you know that I can't make a video without recommending pet costumes, and this video is no exception. I love these dog puffer jackets. The reason I love these puffy puppy jackets, first is the alliteration. Second is because each of these jackets has like a human equivalent. Think jackets from Patagonia or the North Face or Carhartt. So what you want to do with these that would be really clever is target people who like those brands and like dogs. Because who wouldn't want to wear their puffer jacket and have their dog match them? That's incredible. Maybe I'm just talking myself into this idea. And if I am, let me know if I'm going crazy in the comments. But I love the idea of importing this one dog puffy jacket into a store, dividing it into multiple products, and then testing to see, does the vest do better when I target people who like LL Bean? Does the shiny jacket do better when I target Missy Elliott fans? Just have fun with it. Who knows what'll happen? And I thought I'd save the best for last. It's a phone case. Wait, I can hear you groaning from across the screen. Not another phone case. But hear me out. New iPhones are coming out all the time, and every time these new phones come out, people want a new phone case for them, one that will fit it just right. The reason that I love this phone case is it's really simple. When you build a store around this brand, make it minimalist. Make it for all those people who want the latest tech, but also like bragging about how little they use their phones. This is who this product is perfect for. You might also target people who like paint brands like Pantone. This case comes in the size of the iPhone 11, so it's ready to be sold to people who have the latest brand of technology and want a chic cover to match. Okay, that's it for our list of products that you can split into multiple products and build a whole store around. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried the one product store model? And if so, how did it work out for you? Let me know in the comments below and I will respond with my thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.